Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video, we are going to be testing out my new Wander Beauty eye products. And we're going to just see how good they are. I've heard a lot of good things about them, so let's hope they hold up to our scrutiny. We're going to start off with this Essence Eye Primer, because it's my favorite. You guys know that already. And we're just going to put some of this on. And then blend it with my sponge. Anyways, here is the Wander Beauty palette. It is Wander Seascape. And here are the colors. Anyways, I think it is beautiful. And we're pretty much going to use... I'm probably not going to use the blue. Maybe I'll use it underneath. I don't know. We'll just play it as we go. So, I'm going to start off putting this sand dollar right here. It is a matte, kind of a creamy tan, and it is the only matte. So, I'm just going to use this. Whoa. Let me show you how powdery it is. Can you see that? That's a lot of powder. I don't mind powder, but that was a lot of powder. Anyways, I was going to put this all over my lid and then up. It's kind of going to be my transition color because it's the only matte in here. And it's not really as light as I'd like it to be. But it's okay. It's good for a transition color. It's just for putting it all over. It's a little darker than I would normally pick. Okay, now I'm going to go into this very sparkly bronze here. And put that in the crease. I may end up using that blue because it's the darkest one in the palette and I'm going to need something dark. But right now we're going to use this. Oh, this is called Golden Reef. Did I tell you what? Show you it? Right there. This sparkly one. It's called Golden Reef. Hopefully it's darker than it looks. I'm going to have to look down here. Oh, it's pretty. Hope I don't get glitter fall out all over though, because it does have a lot of glitter in it. I think I need to wet my brush. I think that would help it stay in place because I am getting some fallout already. And I don't like glitter fallout. So, I am going to just switch brushes because that one's way too fluffy for... And I'm going to use my Morphe I think 55, I think. Let me look. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Yes, Morphe E50. Sigma E55, not Morphe. And I'm going to spray it with Fix Plus, which is almost empty. Doesn't spray very good when it's almost empty. And I'm going to use like one corner of this so that I don't make it all icky. Oh yeah, this is really pretty when you wet it. Way better. I think I'm going to put it all over my lid. So we just aren't going to use as many colors. Except I need more spray. definitely not as sparkly now. Which is not necessarily a good thing, I don't think. I'm all about sparkle. Now, I'm going to use the same brush. And I'm going to go into this dark blue. It's called Coastal. The dark blue one. And I'm just going to put this nice and low in the outer corner. I already have fallout from that too. Now I'm going to go into this Champagne Harbor right here. And I'm just going to put it on my finger. Oh, I was going to put my fingernails on this morning. I forgot to. Well, they'll be on for the next video. And I'm just going to place this in the center. Like that. Then I'm going to take that fluffy brush again and kind of blend them together. Get rid of all the harsh lines. Now, I'm going to get rid of all the fallout. There is a lot of fallout. It's very pretty, but there is a lot of fallout. So if that bothers you, you might not want this. Now we're going to go in with my tattoo liner from Maybelline, and this is the Deep Onyx, which is black. And I am going to push line. And you guys know the routine. Put your little finger on the center of your eyelid and push back towards your socket. And push down too, so that your eyelash curls up around your finger. And then draw between the hairs. Then you take a flat brush. This is a Morphe M432 flat brush. And you just wiggle it back and forth to smear around that, to spread out that gel that you just put between your lashes. And I try and kind of pull up on it a little bit so that it has a smudgy liner look to it too. And that way, sometimes I'm lazy and I don't want to put liquid liner on, and I just go with that. Alright, I am going to use a liquid liner today. And I'm using the roller liner from Benefit, and this is the black one. Let's see. And I just wrote on my finger. Okay, now we're going to go in and test out this mascara. So I'm going to curl my lashes first, and I'll come back. Okay, we're going in for our first coat with the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Mascara. It's really nice and black, can tell you that already. It's really black. That's all I have to say about it so far. Let me get on a couple more coats and curl them again, and I'll come back and let you know what I thought about it. So I'll be back. Okay, well, you guys decide. What do you think of the mascara? I've had better. It's like, it's the color is beautiful. It's super black. I would definitely use this when I'm going to wear false lashes, but the claim that it makes that it's curling and I don't know, it doesn't seem to be very full or lengthening. I just don't think, I think I've got better. So I'm not impressed with the Mile High. It doesn't seem Mile High. I love the eyeshadows other than the Fallout. The Fallout isn't good, but I just need to work with it, and I'm sure I can figure out how to make it, you know, not be so all over the place. They're beautiful, beautiful colors though, and they're very pigmented, and they blend really well. It's just that there's just a ton of fallout with them. So I do love the colors though. They're gorgeous. They're gorgeous, and I will figure out how to use it without having it all over my face. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, especially Instagram. I'm putting a lot more on Instagram, especially the little Yzma girl. If you don't like cats, probably shouldn't follow me on Instagram. Well, I still put pictures too and talk. I just talk, you know. You know how it is. Anyways, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!